Oh my god, dude. I'm running out of daytime or daylight. Ugh. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna do my rear coilovers. Just right there. And it's freaking running out of time. Running out of time. I started like, I don't know what to say, like 6:30. And yep. Oh, and here's the spacer. And I gotta get that thing out. Alright. Look at this, look at this, look at this. God dang, that thing's tight. Can't even go any higher. So this is what I got so far. It's a little too low. A little too high, a little too low. So we're gonna work on the fronts today. Such a mess. Oh, okay. Look at this, look at this. Dang, that camera wear. Yeah, what I like to do is put the bottom one first. Yeah, and then jack it up.